Okay, another tree removal. It is this tree right behind me. And that is a box elder. So, just getting things set up. Got bucket truck access, although it would not be a hard tree to climb, but it is windy today, so I apologize for the sound. We'll do a time lapse, but it should go pretty quick. Hey, I don't have my tripod today, so it's just leaning my phone up against random things like this toolbox here. But now we gotta grind out 1 stump, 2 stumps, 3. Look at the roots on this thing though. And there's gotta be something up in this area. This juniper root just stretched straight over there. But this will be a fun little root chase. We're not gonna be able to get all of this out because it's too close to the concrete, so we'll get as close as we can. But I think this will look good. She's just planning on putting grass in. So, anyways, do another time lapse as best we can. So I lied about the time lapse. But this is how it turned out. Look how good that looks. That should make for a happy customer.